illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a jellyfish character. So go ahead and get your drawing materials and let's get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our jellyfish character. The first thing we want to do is draw our jellyfish head, which is a really fun and big shape here. Now this jellyfish is going to have circles as eyes. So we're going to draw two large circles here. One. And two. And we want two little circles here inside for pupils. We'll add eyebrows next. One. Two. And I'm going to put two eyelashes on each eye here. And this jellyfish is going to be very happy, so we're going to make a big open mouth smile. Now we get to add the tentacles, which is really fun. So just watch here. I'm going to create a really fun and curvy line, and then I'm going to come back and make a series of these little curves that follows back up here to the beginning. So we're going to do 3 tentacles like that, and if yours aren't exactly curving in the same spots, that is totally fine. This jellyfish is moving and grooving, so they're all going to look a little bit different, and that is totally fine. We're going to add a third one like this. And you'll notice this time my curves are happening on the other side of the line. Okay, and now we're going to add some basic tentacles here. And you're certainly welcome to put as many of these as you would like to on your character. And one thing that I love to do when drawing underwater characters is adding a series of bubbles around it. Just because this implies that our character is indeed underwater, but also that it's moving around and stirring up the water, causing these bubbles to happen around. So I just think it makes for a really neat background when you can add these in. Plus it gives you something else to color here in a minute when we move on to that step. So you can fill your background with circles of different sizes. It helps if you can avoid putting them in a pattern, and if you can scatter some, you can even put a couple on top of your character to show that they're really in this motion that's happening. That's fine too. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our jellyfish character. The next step that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your colored pencils, markers, crayons, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. have our jellyfish character, the last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, wonderful job today on your jellyfish characters. I hope that you all had as much fun as I did. I will see you next time back here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.